Hello friends! So I'm gonna do some gardening today. I want this to be a nice relaxing gardening day that fills you with joy because it's that time of year. Spring has sprung here in the Atlanta metro area. It's a beautiful day, 80 degrees, 79 to be exact. Humidity's not bad, clear blue sky, and I figured it's time for me to plant some of these plants that I bought. I want to get them in the ground. Now, it's still March when I'm filming this, and I want to get the bulbs that I bought from Costco over the past couple of Costco hauls. These plants I got from a plant extension from UGA, University of Georgia, so I'm excited about that. And then I also have my topiaries that I bought from Costco that I'm going to plant, and I bought some annuals, some petunias to go in there. So even if you're not into gardening, I hope that this brings you joy, seeing the flowers and the plants and the greenery. There's something about it to me that's so healing and relaxing. So I just want to bring that to you guys. Oh, I also have my herb garden that I'll be starting in the back on my deck. Lots to do. I also have some tomatoes. I forgot about that. Tomatoes and the sweet bell peppers that I'm going to plant too. And so yeah, that's what we're going to do. Hopefully this is relaxing to you all. Get yourself a cup of tea, some coffee, and let's just vibe out. Ooh, honey, you talk about a workout, baby. I don't know what I was thinking when I said, oh, it's so nice out here. It's nice, girl, but it is hot. Not a breeze in sight. Okay, now I just got a little bit of a breeze a second ago, but it's hot. Okay, it's 82. I had to let my camera in there, girl, because it was overheating. That's how hot it is right here. Anyways, I finally got enough bags. I had to use 2.5 bags to fill these planters with. I'm feeling like, gosh, that was a waste. Maybe that's too much, but these are like technically trees. The girls are getting out the bus now. So now I'm gonna plant the petunias at the bottom, but I'm loving the way it looks so far. Anyway, so like 2.5 bags, that's 125 pounds, I would say. Hi girls, of compost and soil. So again, I'm gonna get ready to plant my petunias and then my bulbs, and then I'm going to split this lamb's ear because it's kind of going wild. It's taking over this my bush here. I wish I would have planted it back a little bit, but I'm gonna separate this into like 3 different plants, I think. Hi girls, how was school? So yeah, that's where we're at. Guys, so now that we did the landing there, it looks so pretty. I've got to plant these. Now I bought these at Costco. When did I buy these? Several weeks ago, and I got to get them in the ground. So I have 2 different versions of phlox, which is just this beautiful flower right here. I'm going to put in the front. I'm going to put all these hollyhocks in the front as well, and then these daylilies, right? I'm going to put, I think, in one of my little islands here in the front. These irises are going to go in the front. I actually have some iris back here. And then I don't know where I'm going to put these daylilies either, but we'll figure it out. We're going to figure something out here. I have these campion roses here. That's a rose bush, like a knockout roses. Pink. This is white. Those are irises in the back. So I'm going to plant some more irises in the hollyhock. And I actually have some azaleas too that I'm going to try to plant back here. That's a lot. So we're going to see how this is going to work out. Girl, I'm sitting here YouTubing how to plant these hollyhocks because I've never planted bulbs before. I just want to see if you just put them on its side. I guess so. Plant them with new growth facing up. Okay. Alright y'all, so I got these from the Dollar Tree, these Dollar Tree planters. Usually they sell out really fast, so if you see them at your Dollar Tree, grab them. And I'm going to make my herb garden out of these. And so what I'm going to do is just, I have 6 different herbs that I bought from the store, and as I buy more, I bought like 10 of these. So I'm just going to stack them up, put them on my back porch, so I'll have a nice supply of herbs. I punched the holes out. Looks like I have a few left there to take out. Anyways, and so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. Okay, so here are the herbs that I'm using. I bought these at my Kroger. They were on sale for $1.99 each. I bought 2 thyme, 2 mint, and 2 basil. And so I'm really excited. I've never grown thyme before. I usually grow mint every year. That's pretty easy to grow, and basil every year. I'd love to get the rest of them. Like I want to grow sage. I want to grow oregano. What else is it? Rosemary, all of those. And I want a whole stack of these herbs that I cannot wait to use. The mint I use for tea. You can make rosemary oil, thyme, water. I saw on TikTok how healthy thyme is if you just soak it with water and then drain it and drink the water a little bit, sip it throughout the day. So there's so many things you could do. I think herbs are so medicinal. And so yeah, that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up. Gosh, I could smell the herbs. They smell so good. That mint and basil together, oh, is everything. And here we have it. My little chairs that I spray painted last year, do y'all remember, are full of pollen. So I can't, it's hard to be out here and enjoy this shaded deck because the pollen is out of control right now. But I'm really proud of my little herbs. It smells so good, you guys. Oh my gosh. I love the smell of basil and mint together. It's just chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. So I'm going to start harvesting a lot from this. I put basil in my rice, and like I said, I told you there's a lot of medicinal properties in all of these herbs. And the herbs are really powerful. Mint has medicinal properties, rosemary, thyme, they all do. Basil. So I'm gonna look forward to this. I'm gonna sit this here for now. Again, I have like 10 of these, and at first I thought, is it gonna be stable enough? But I think it's okay on this chair. It's not, a hefty wind can come by. If you want to be extra careful, you could put something heavy around the perimeter of it. But I think it's a great way, cheap way to have a stackable garden. Now here's the rest of my garden. I thought I was going to get to all this today, but obviously I was tripping, girl, because I'm on hour 3 now of doing this. I got to clean up. That's completely dead. I got to do something with that hibiscus tree. My azalea needs to be cut back. I don't know if there's any new growth in there yet. There is some new growth here with the hydrangea. I just need to figure out what I'm doing with my life. I'm going to clean up my 2 garden beds, clean up here, and I think I'm going to move my deck. Not my deck, excuse me. I'm going to move my grill from that side over here in this corner. I don't know. I got to play around with it. I just need some place to put all of my gardening supplies. I don't have any place out here. I bought this. That gets filled up so fast. It's like crazy. Whew. It's always something to do. So we'll see. This is my lavender. Hopefully that'll come back. I think it is. This one's coming back. Look at that. Beautiful. Right? So I'm just going to clean it up over here because I'm ready to look at some flowers, listen to the birds chirp, listen to the construction that my neighbors are getting done in the back there somewhere. But I really like it out here. It's peaceful. It's shaded. Like I said, we're thinking about getting rid of these trees because they're starting to lean quite a bit. 3 of them, even though they've been here since we moved. When we moved into this house 11 years ago, they were half the height. I remember I was able to see my neighbors behind me, their top floor. It's amazing how fast they grow, but if we ever want to get a fence, we're gonna have to get rid of these. But anyway, I'm yapping too much. That is it, my friends. Thank you so much for gardening with me today. If you like this type of content, you know, continue watching. You're gonna see my whole journey through this whole gardening season of mine. I'm in zone 7B if you're interested in that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.